Hey, it's Joel. Boy, have I got something incredible. And well, first, before we get to that, I want to show you something really neat, in fact. It's a brand new shirt. This is called Special Delivery. I've contacted some artists and we have new merch coming. It's what happens if you entrust a pigeon carrier to transport your 3D printed goods. And I love this shirt. You can find it at a link in the description. Now though, you may be wondering why I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these tiny little flexible 3D prints in front of me. My local coffee shop, Cafe Aroma, they named a drink after me. It's called the Small Joel, and they put up this sign around different parts of the cafe, and it has some incredibly kind words about me, but at the end, it talks about this Small Joel and what it is and how it costs $3.63 USD. The Small Joel, for those who can't make it to the cafe, is a 12-ounce Americano with caramel sauce and a little bit of cream. That got me thinking, this is the perfect opportunity for 3D printing and introducing people to what 3D printing is. What if we could offer something for everybody that came through to purchase a Small Joel? Something small, something 3D printed. And it occurred to me, the fine people at Zao 3D have these wonderful flexible models, and I picked 5 of them to print and give out at the cafe. So the models I chose, one is the axolotl, gorgeous little creature. Next up is this flexible kitty cat, meow. Next up is an alligator. Don't get too close, he might bite your head off. Next up is a shark, a scary, scary little shark. Last but not least is a dragon. I utilized my Prusa 3D printing farm. I put 5 per plate. So these 5 would go on a plate, and I did 0.16 millimeter layer height just because I wanted to maintain the detail. I also thought, I have a bamboo farm, why don't we try some multicolor ones? There's the axolotl, there's the kitty cat, there's the alligator, there is the shark, and therein is the baby dragon. Look at that, we got those 5 there, multicolor. We got the 5 in single color, but here's how many I printed. Look at this pile of Zao 3D flexible prints. I have to take these to the cafe so that they can give them out to kids and adults, people that order drinks, people that order other drinks. The goal is to get people introduced not just to 3D printing, but to give them just a little fun something to take along the way. I am calling these my coffee critters. The cafe itself is a business and it is a retail shop. So I thought, if they're going to be giving these away, you can't just have a pile of them on the counter. You need something contextual to hold them. My idea finished printing and it's over there on my Voron. Look at that. It is a massive, massive coffee cup.
Large black coffee.
Do you mean a venti?
No, I mean a large.
Here it is. Look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible. This coffee cup printed on the Voron in PLA overnight, and it's perfect. We have ourselves a coffee cup and we have ourselves coffee critters. Let's put the critters in the cup and let's get this over to the cafe so they can start giving them out. Mr. Alligator, you were the last one.
Bye.
This feels like a YouTube-y kind of thumbnail-y thing. It's like, cup of critters. I've got a nice cup full of these, and I think this is fantastic because now they can keep this on the counter or next to the counter. It's one of those things where they don't have to rely on someone to see the name of the drink. They'll see this on the counter and think, hey, what is that? And then they can talk to them about it, and then people can actually choose the one that they want. Stop talking, Joel. Let's get this over to the cafe. I'm just carrying in my coffee, just sipping my coffee. I really wanted to jump in here just really quick because I'm hoping that this inspires you. I hope that you can reach out within your local community to help bring more awareness to 3D printing, whether it's by printing a little thing that can be given away, or perhaps finding space within a retail shop where you can have a shelf of things that you could sell, or donating some time to a local library, local makerspace, or getting the imagination of those who don't currently know about 3D printing activated so that they're aware of it and they're excited about it and they can't wait to see more. Well, from here, I'm gonna throw it back to the cafe because I love that place. There it is, look at that. The prints are all delivered here at Cafe Aroma. It's at the corner of 5th and 165th in Shoreline, Washington. And I mean, it's not just small Joel's, you can get anything on the menu. There's a lot of really cool stuff here. What's your favorite one?
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, the coffee?
No, of the little giveaway with the coffee critters.
I think the little axolotl.
The axolotls, okay, we've got an axolotl fan here. Come by, get yourself a small Joel and get yourself a free coffee critter. That's it, all right. Well, I'm gonna drink my coffee. If you made this part, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in. Caffeinate all the things. And as always, high five.